Today's my TTL topic is about data abstraction. Data abstraction means hiding the unnecessary data and showing the essential data to us. అంటే అన్నెసెసరీ డేటాని హైడ్ చేసి మనకు అవసరమైన డేటాని మాత్రమే చూపిస్తుంది. ఇందులో 3 లెవెల్స్ ఉంటాయి. First వచ్చేసి physical level. Physical level అంటే lowest level and it shows how data is stored in this level and it is also called as a storage level. Next వచ్చేసి logical level. Logical level means it stores the data actually stored in it and in this level you can do any modifications in this data and it involves in complex data structures. View level is also known as user level. It involves in more complexities and it has more views. Example, bank management.